Hello, good morning. I just wanted to show you another pattern that I found. This one has approximately a return of about 92% from January to August of 2023. And it comprises pretty much of a shorting, anything with a market cap over 1 billion. This is pretty much the salient point on for this particular trade is this one right here. The previous day, it should have gone up over 20%. And then the day that we short, it must have a pre-market volume of at least 1 million. And that's pretty much everything. That's pretty much the only requirements that I have. So for example, AMC on 118 January AMC. The prior day went up 20.63. So if we go to our on demand for AMC, you can see here that the prior day it went up about 20.40 some percent. The following day, I usually just tend to short right at open. So as you can see here, doesn't go out much. It goes down. It gives you about a 11% return just on one trade. So as you know me, I'm not much of a, like a heavy trader that trades 5, 10, 15 times a day. I'm more of a very meticulous, very analytical, very few trades with high degree of certainty. And I really like this one. I really like this pattern. It's pretty simple. Just about 14 trades, about 92% return for the year. You can use this one pattern with a combination of other patterns. You can easily be making, 200, 300, 400% for the year. So yeah, if you have any questions, just let me know down below. Thank you.